I'm Victoria.
And I'm Lily, and we're back with another video. And today we are
Doing the Twin
Telepathy Blindfolded Slime Challenge. We have one announcement, which is
the fan of the week will be at the end of this video. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet to be one of our Viclies, do so now. And let's blindfold right in this video.
Okay guys, so how we are going to do this is we are going to, right now we're going to make our slime, and then once we're done with that, we're going to put on our blindfolds. And we have 6 different accessories over here, and then we're going to both pick 4 different accessories, and we try to see if we have the same accessories and try to get good twin telepathy.
Okay, so let's make our slime.
Yeah.
So I'm pouring in the glue.
Oh, nice.
So next, let's put in our baking soda. We have it in these little things.
Okay, mix in my baking soda. Ooh, nice.
Okay, now I'm gonna add some saline. Did you add all yours in?
What? No, not yet. I'm doing it like little bits.
Okay.
Now I'm just gonna add in some saline solution. Oh. Okay. Yours forming?
No. Is yours?
I've just now put in the saline solution, so I don't know.
I'm gonna need more baking soda.
Here you go. Okay. Ooh, mine's forming. I can feel it warming up. It's getting thicker. I just need to mix it some.
Okay guys, this is my slime. Every time I pop it, it gets harder and harder. I don't know why.
Can you pop it? That's weird.
So we're gonna blindfold.
And then we're going to pick our ingredients. We're gonna pick 4 out of 6 and try to get the same.
Okay, so let's put on our blindfolds.
So guys, now that we got our blindfolds on and we got the stuff, we got the accessories mixed up in front of us, we can start with our first item.
Okay, so go.
Yeah, go.
I'm scared.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, that's the edge.
oh, I know. Okay, so are you ready to pour it in?
Yep.
Okay.
Ah. Ready, set, go. Okay, poured all mine in.
Same. Okay, where do I put this? I'm just gonna put it right here.
Oh, those are my glasses.
Okay, are we gonna mix it in or?
I mean, you can if you want to. I'm not mixing mine in yet though. I'm doing my next accessory, guys.
Okay, I will put in.
Ooh. Oh. Wow. Okay.
Ew.
Oh, this is nice. Okay, we're doing 4 accessories like we said before, so we just have 2, so we got 2 more to go.
Okay.
Oh. Where'd they go? Oh, they're way out here. Wait, which one are you on?
Third.
What?
Third.
Third? Oh. Did you already put it in?
No.
Okay. I just dumped in my 3rd one, guys, and now my last accessory. Let's do that. Ah. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna do this one, guys. I don't know if I'm doing too much or not enough. Hopefully I'm not doing like too much. Because that'll be a big waste, man. Okay. I put most of mine in. Or, yeah, I got all 4 accessories, guys. So this is what my slime looks like. Oh. While it's not mixed in. Wait, let me move my spoon. What was that? So this is what my slime looks like, not mixed in yet. Now I'm gonna mix my slime. Erin, are you on your last one over there?
Yep.
Okay. I'm mixing mine in. Whoa! It feels so good. There's so many different things in there.
Okay.
Whoa, baby, that's a lot.
Okay, mixing mine. This is what mine looks like. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah.
Okay. Oh, this feels good. There's so many different things.
Wait, did I have to do 4? Yeah.
Okay, so most of my things is mixed in. So when we're all ready, we can see if we did good. Twin telepathy.
Yep.
Is your slime good?
No. Is yours? Like mine? Mine feels
Yeah,
like
mine's pretty
bouncy ball.
good. Really?
It's not even stretchable. Like, I don't even want
Mine's a
to
little bit
try.
stretchy. But with all the ingredients in it, it kind of got a little not stretchy, but it feels really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Ready
Okay.
to unblindfold?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa,
Whoa.
it's right, mate. Oh. Oh, it's a slime. Not what I was expecting. Wait, let me put on my glasses. Whoa! Hopefully this did not spill on the floor. There was a container.
It did. Everywhere. No, it's everywhere.
What are you talking about? I don't see it. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. Let's say what we put in. For
the first one?
Yeah, for our first accessory.
Oh yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Foam beads. Yeah.
Yes.
Wait. Okay, so guys,
Wait. If we get the same ingredients, but we don't say them on the same round.
that is fine. We still win. Like.
Okay. So we got 1.
Yeah. So if you guys haven't already watched, we did the gingerbread house decorating twin telepathy challenge, and we did really good. We only got 1 round. Like, we only got 1 thing wrong. So if you haven't watched that, go ahead and check it out. So far we're doing good. Just like that one. Okay.
Okay.
For next thing. Wait, let me think. What I did.
I know.
Oh yeah, I know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Clay. For real? Yes. Okay.
Okay. Third one.
Oh yeah. Ready? Wait. I know what
Oh, yeah.
I did.
1,
2,
3.
3.
Glitter.
Beads. Wait. Did you do beads at all?
No.
Okay, so we got 1 thing wrong. What color of glitter did you do?
Both.
You did both?
Mm-hmm.
And we did blue. Okay, so we got 2 things wrong out of 4. It's half. We got 50%. Wow. Okay. Well.
We're not true twins.
Well, we were on the other video. We're 50% twins. Okay, now let's talk about our slimes.
Okay. Okay,
Wait,
so
let me play this on while she's talking. Go.
mine is not that stretchy, but it's okay. I'm about to break my arms. But yeah, it's weird. I can't explain this slime. It's hard. I feel like the clay made it harder. I don't know why. but yeah. The clay was really soft, but I don't know. But it's a good slime. It's not really. But, okay, your turn.
Okay, so for my slime, it feels really cool with all the different things, especially the foam beads and the beads. Make it feel really cool. I don't really feel the clay texture. I mean, I feel the thickness from the clay, but I don't have like the spready texture. But I like how it's like white with blue sparkles. It reminds me of winter. And then it's sort of stretchy. I mean, it was really stretchy before I added in like all the stuff. So I don't know if like this stuff is like stopping it from stretching. I really don't know. But it was really good. It still like feels cool. So yeah, that is my slime, guys. So we're done.
Oh,
yesterday,
or New Year's Eve, I was at LaRosa's and this girl had a Gucci bag and she had the iPhone X. And I was like, Dad, I want haters. I was like, can I have
flex on everyone.
Wow, okay.
She was trying to flex her iPhone X and Gucci bag.
She was playing on it and this loud music came on and it was like,
what the? She was probably like holding it out for everyone to see. What just happened?
okay.
We need to see. Wait.
It flew out of my hand and hit this, and it went.
Look at the beads, guys. Let's. I'm pretty sure there's a broom. Try to start scooping it. So guys, from this video, we are 50% twins.
Yes.
So go check out our gingerbread house decorating twin telepathy challenge if you haven't already. And
make sure you guys
subscribe,
like this video,
give it a big thumbs up,
and make sure you push the notification bell to be part of our
notification squad. And make sure you guys share this video with your friends. Bye guys, we love you, peace out, and have a
blindfolded day.
Woohoo!
I just realized I still have this on my head.
That's good.